Okay, you can tow it.
You don't need a tow hook when towing.
What are you talking about? Where is the tow hook? This is where the tether is tied.
You will damage the car if you do this. Oops, let me teach you. We open the trunk. The tow hook is under the cover. We take it out. On the front bumper of the car, find this small cover. Press it hard and it will open. Next, we insert the tow hook. Turn it counterclockwise. Okay, take out the tow rope. Fold it in half. Pass it through the rope loop above. At this point, the long end is the main rope. The short end is the auxiliary rope. We take out the main rope from the rope loop above. Then wrap the auxiliary rope around the main rope. Fold it in half and pass it through the rope loop above. Tighten the main rope. In this way, it will only get tighter and tighter. This method is also called pissing cows to death, because 10 cows can't pull it open. Then we want to untie it. It's very easy. Come here. Hold the auxiliary rope tightly and pull it gently to loosen it. How about it? Is it very simple? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about automobile knowledge every day.